In this video, we're going to discuss about average daily budget. What exactly you mean by average daily budget? So whenever we run a campaign on Google Ads, mostly all the campaigns have the same scenario of giving a budget on an average basis, on daily basis. So for example, if I put over here 1,000 rupees, so what does average means? Now depending upon the performance, Google can charge me less than 1,000 some days, and some days he might charge me more than 1,000 rupees. But he's saying that I'll maintain the average of 1,000 rupees per day. So for example, if I'm running an ad one day 1,000 rupees, and if I'm running an ad for 30 days, which equals 30,000 rupees. So he's saying that Google is telling that maybe someday he might charge us more, okay, because the performance is more, okay, getting good response, or getting good number of clicks, and sometimes he might charge you less because performance is not good of your campaign, okay. But he'll try to maintain the average 1,000 rupees per day, and he won't gonna charge you more than 30,000 rupees end of the month. So this is all about your average daily budget. On the right hand side, if for more clarity, you can read this content given by Google itself. So for the month, you won't pay more than your daily budget times the average number of days in a month, which is 30.4. Okay, and some days you might spend less than your daily budget, and others you might spend up twice as much. So I can spend like 2,000 as well, up to double of this. What a budget they're giving. Okay, sometimes very less amount, but the average will be maintained. Okay, so I hope you got a pretty good idea about what is average daily budget.